So I've scanned, I did an ETM scan using the CountyComm GP7 SSB, or aka what is the Texan PL 368, using only telescopic antenna. And we're going to see the results that happened with this. It is 0103 UTC. So let's check out the signals. So 4840 WWCR, Nashville, Tennessee.
You do not have the foggiest idea what Christianity is really all about. And I will tell anybody and everybody, if you
5050, which is I'm not sure. WRMI 5800. WRMI 5850. WWCR 5935.
And the Bible does say without vision, you perish.
5940, not sure what it is at 01 UTC.
And you know, if the people
WRMI 5950.
are so short-handed, why don't they pick up guns and head out to the battlefield?
That's Radio Marti. Surprising signal on Telescopic of the only frequency left for HCJB in Quito, Ecuador. CFRX Toronto. WBCQ 6160.
With the FBI from 1993 to 2008. My final 5 years, from 2003 to 2008.
Radio Educación Mexico, possibly. $72.60, not sure. Vatican Radio 7305. Radio Marti. Radio Marti.
I compute
WBCQ 7490.
recaptured just shy of 200 kilometers, 200 square. A standard that we never live up to.
WRNO 7505.
Which is in us, and it leads us to guilt. We'll rush it on.
WWCR.
Past 2 months.
WRMI. World's Last Chance WBCQ 9330. WRMI 9395. This is Radio Inconfidencia, something like that, from France to Cuba. A China Radio International on a bad Cuban transmitter. No. Radio Romania. $98.60. Not sure. WRMI 9955. Radio Romania French 11620. Radio Nacional Amazonas from Brazil 11780. I think this is Romania 11880. 13590 I think is Algeria. WWV 15 megahertz. WRMI 15770. And back down. So not too bad. On the balcony in the back using ETM scan. Pretty cool to see the number of catches from the ETM scan. So lots of fun when conditions are right. Hope you enjoyed. So this is done with the CountyComm GP7 SSB, or also known as the Texan PL 368. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.